Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have explained elif statement of Python programming language. It is also called as an if-else-if statement. A syntax of elif statement, a program of Python to find whether the given number is positive, negative or 0 by using elif statement. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link of this one in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.
Many a times there might be situations that require multiple conditions to be checked, and it may lead to many alternatives. It means based upon the condition, it may execute any of the alternatives. Many alternatives will be there. Based upon the condition, it will select which alternative has to be executed. In those cases, we'll be using a chain of conditions using a statement that is called as an if-else-if. If-else-if means else-if statement. It is used when the multiple conditions has to be checked, when we have many alternatives. In that case, we are going to use else-if. If. The syntax for selection structure using else-if, elif is as shown below. If space condition colon statement within a bracket yes. That means it can be a single statement or it can be a number of statements. Then if there is no any space between them. After that, one single space condition colon. Then again statement or statements, and you can check there the indentation, the space you need to give and tap space after each of the conditions in the next line. Then again elif space condition colon. In the next line indentation, one tap space. Then after that statement or statements. Then else colon. Then after that statement or statements. Like this you need to write an selection structure using else-if statement. When you need to choose among many alternatives, then you need to use this particular programming selection structure in Python programming language.
I will open the Python interpreter. Now in this particular video, I am going to write a program to accept a number and check whether it is a positive number, negative number or 0. I will write a Python program to accept a number and check whether it is a positive number, negative number or 0. So I'll create a new file. Shortcut key is Ctrl+N. So this is the file in which I am going to write an Python program. So first I will write an comment, just the name of the program, Python program to accept a number and check, accept a number and check whether it is positive, negative or 0 or 0. Then, so here first I will read a value by using an input statement. I will write num1 space equal to space int, open the bracket. In that one I will write input, open the bracket, within a double quotes, enter a number, single space, double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. To get more information regarding input function, you can watch the previous videos of statement and input function of Python programming language in my YouTube channel. Then I will write if condition space condition. Condition is num1 space greater than 0 colon. If this condition becomes true, right? So as I told, indentations are very important. In the next line, just press tab space, then write here as print, open the bracket, within the double quotes, number is positive, double quotes close, bracket close, press enter. Then again elif, so it's a program to illustrate an multiple if conditions, that is what elif conditions. It is also called as an else-if statement. So elif, here we need to write a condition. So condition I will write as num1 space less than 0 colon, press enter. So you can see the indentation there, print, open a bracket, within a double quotes, number is negative. So if this condition becomes true, that means a number is negative, close the double quotes, close the bracket, press enter. Then again in the next line you have to write another one condition, else colon, press enter. So now again indentation, observe the indentation. So here I will write print. So if both the conditions becomes false, that means if num1 is greater than 0, that becomes false. If num1 is less than 0, that becomes false. Then it will come to the else. In the else part I will write, so number is 0, double quotes close, bracket close. To get more information regarding an print function, watch the previous video in my YouTube channel. So now I will save the program. To save the program, the shortcut key is Ctrl S. So this is a program to check whether a number is positive, negative or 0. Just I will write as num p then n z. That means number positive, negative, 0. Click on save. Now to run the program, just press F5, enter a number. So now I will give just a positive number as 8. Press enter. You can see the output displayed is number is positive. Then again come to the script mode, press F5 again to run the program. Enter a number. Now I will give a negative number. For example, I will give -6. Press enter. So it will display number is negative. Again come to the script mode, press F5, the shortcut key, to run the program. Enter a number. Now I will write the number as 0. That means the output I need to get as number is 0. This is the way how we write an else-if statement. This is the way how we write an else-if statement in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, put the video links in various social medias which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.